And the race is on fire. Prince from the outside, McDollar. And moving up by Darrell, the outstanding favorite. And this one is Alamid. It's now Alamid, followed by Red Ransom, the chairman. Rushing up speed, Sense to take third. Red Ransom from the outside, running down on the inside. Tailor-made McDollar. Gandam, then followed by On Your Knees. Entry number 2, Preciosa Baxter. And the German is running at the tail of the field. It's still Alamid by some 2 lengths, followed by Red Ransom. Speed Sense racing in third by some 4 lengths. McDollar alongside Red Ransom. And down on the inside is entry number Tailor-Made. Round in the last 400, Alamid from the outside. And on the further outside is Red Ransom. Fire Prince on the further outside, Speed Sense. And during the last 200 meters more to run, Red Ransom, Alamid, Speed Sense down on the inside, On Your Knees. And McDollar on the further outside, Tailor-Made. And during the finish line, Red Ransom racing away now by some 7 lengths. And finally, Red Ransom, Speed Sense, Tailor-Made, Gandam, McDollar, and Alamid for your Super Sai.